are you? Happy, this is Saturday. So I've been up pretty early. I've been trying to record content. So I've been up for several hours. I should have been recording for this vlog, but I was just trying to get this video right. I'm probably gonna have to re-record the video that I was, the content that I was recording over, but that's here nor there. I haven't eaten anything, so I am starved right now. So I think I'm gonna have peanut butter banana toast. I saw this on Lemon8. I don't know if you all heard of that app, but it's like an app that it gives you all type of recipes, etc., outfit ideas. So let's make some peanut butter banana toast. Thank you guys so much for your support. Those that have been rocking with me since day one on my channel. I just want to say thank you, welcome. This is the bread that I'm using. Hawaiian nature's own bread. We're gonna get peanut butter. So for the ingredients for this recipe, for this bread, you need honey, peanut butter, and we need cinnamon, and we need a banana. Guys, toast is done. Let me bring you guys a little bit closer. Let's see how it tastes. God, we thank you for this food. Bless those that don't have any food to eat. Let this be nourishment to my body. In Jesus' name, amen. Here we go. So good. So good. Anybody dance when they food tastes good? So good. All right, you guys, I cleared my plate. I was so hungry. So I'm trying to see what I'm about to do. I know I need to do cleaning today. I need to go get, I think my Amazon packages have arrived. So I'm gonna go get my Amazon pack. I think I'm gonna do that first. I'm gonna get my Amazon packages first because I'm waiting for my cleaning supplies. Today's just gonna be a really chill day. But yeah, you guys, let go. All right, you guys, so I thought my Amazon packages were here. They are not here yet. So I'm just gonna probably clean with the cleanest stuff that I have. But before I do that, I forgot that I purchased this organic immune refresher, carrot and orange with turmeric drink. So I'm just gonna taste this real quick. Score 1 to 10. TheBomb.com, y'all. Y'all, this is really good. It's good for the immune system. Turmeric is very good. Y'all, that was good. That was great, you guys. So since my packages have not came yet, and the cleaning products that I, David, would you stop? So you guys, since my Amazon packages have not arrived yet, and I told you guys I have purchased some new cleaning products that I want to try, I'm just going to go ahead and clean with what I have because I'm not trying to be cleaning later in the day. The best product for wood floors is, hold on. I'm sorry, you guys. My husband is trying to get on my nerves. But it's Murphy's oil, y'all. This is the product, Murphy's oil. If you have wood floors, you have to use Murphy's oil, okay? And then I mix a little bit of the Miss Myers Clean Day in there. This is a honeysuckle scent. So these two are what I'm gonna be doing to clean the floors. All right, so let's get this party started, y'all. I purchased this like little mouse broom thing from Amazon. You guys, so this is just water, the Murphy's oil, and then I'm gonna pour that in here like this. That's enough. That. Perfect. Literally will be enough for the whole floor because there's a sprayer on there and it comes out and it's just super easy. All right, so basically you just put this back in there and you'll hear snap. There you go. And see, pushing this makes the water go out. So here we go.
Wrap these doggies in a blanket of clothes.
Baby, get out! Get freaking out. Okay, you guys, so it has been some time. The floor has dried, so we're gonna just move the carpet and the table back to the middle of the floor. Alright, you guys, so it has been some time later. I did all my cleaning. I actually cleaned the other part of my living room as well. My kitchen, you guys saw some parts of it. So right now, I think I'm about to go out. My husband works today, so it's just me today. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do today. There is a perfume store that I wanted to go to. I think it's in Manhattan, I think. But, or maybe it's in the Bronx. I forget where it was, but I want to go there because I'm looking for Dossier perfumes because I tried to order some offline last night and then they just gave my refund back. But yeah, you guys, I'm going to go find an outfit. My bedroom is a total mess. I would take you guys in there with me, but it's a mess. So I'm going to go find an outfit and then I'll be right back. I'm getting ready to go. I'm just kind of freshening up a little bit, put a little bit more deodorant on because y'all know New York, it has been hot. So you gotta make sure you are extra protected with deodorant. The scent for the day is Water Bagouage Plant Perfume. And so there's, I don't know if you guys have heard this Japanese store called Rumi Life. So they have some little cute stuff in there. They have perfumes and you guys can see like there's a little flower in there. So I think I'm liking this, y'all. What y'all think? Yeah, this will be the hairstyle for today. This is cute. This is cute. It's tight, so I'm gonna have to untighten it, but this is cute. Some of my Amazon packages came, so I thought that I would just show you guys some of the stuff that I got. So I ordered 2 bottles of this Belizean hot sauce. My husband loved this stuff. I love it too. But I ordered 2 bottles of this. And then I had got some face glow stuff. It's like First Spray Serum Hydrate and Radiant Skin by D'Alba. I got this, and then I got another package. I don't even know what this is, but let's see what this is. Oh, so So these are some nude lipsticks. And then some Belizean seasoning. Again, my husband loves these. All right. And this is the outfit. All right, y'all. So let's get to going. I caught the wrong bus, so I'm just now getting out, but it's okay. We found ourselves where we needed to go.
Have a great day, ladies and gentlemen. Have a good day, miss. That's right, vlog, because you look amazing. That's what black excellence looks like. Have a great day, guys.
All right, guys, so we are out and about, going to find the perfume store. Oh, I think this is it. Yep, we are here.
Paragam. Paragam and Kan.
All right, you guys. So we didn't get anything. I wasn't too blown away by the perfumes. So we're just gonna hang out, see what else they got going on. This lemonade is watered down, but I'm hot, so I'm gonna drink it. All right, you guys, so I'm out of that store, back outside walking in the heat. I'm trying to find a CVS or Walgreens because I'm trying to get some calamine lotion. I have so many mosquito bites and the itchiness is going away, but I just want to get something that's more medicinal to help it. So we're gonna try the calamine lotion. So this is a couple hours later. I'm in the kitchen because your girl is hungry and I want something cold to drink. But before we do that, I have more Amazon packages that came and I just want to show you guys what I purchased, okay? So this is the first package. My husband opened it and I told him not to. I'll get on him later. All right, so remember I told you guys it's some cleaning products that I wanted to try. And this is a cleaning product. It's Lysol Power Clean. It's mango and hibiscus scent. Oh, y'all, it smells so fresh. Oh, it smells so good. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. And I also got the Lysol spray, which is like this. I'm going to use this for like mopping, cleaning the toilets, tub, all that. This, I would say I'm going to use this for like cleaning off the tables, doorknobs, just little stuff like that. But this is one of the candles I got here. This is by Scented Candles. It's soy wax. And this is, which one is this one? Let's see. Can't really smell it. I forgot. I think this is a sandalwood. This is, yeah, magnolia and sandalwood. Y'all, it smells so freaking good. I think I spent like $7 or $9 for this. I mean, in the description. Y'all, it smells, it's so warm, soft. Like, this is 7. This is 7. And this is Benevolence Oh my God, this smells so good. Which one is this one? This is, okay, bergamot and jasmine. Okay guys, sorry, I'm back. So yeah, okay, so I showed you guys a candle, which is this one. So I'll probably burn this one tonight, actually. Okay, and then the next thing I got out of this is this, what is this called? It's called, dang it, they got all this. It's called SOS Daily Rescue Facial Spray. And basically, I've seen a lot of YouTubers using this. But basically, this is supposed to keep the bacteria out of your face. So like when you're flying on flights, when after you work out, those that work out a lot, and you know how sometimes when you sweat, you're more prone to get like acne. Well, they said spray this and it keeps it away. So this was 12, this little thing was 12, like look at this. This little thing was $12. But yeah, so I'm gonna try it out and see what comes of this, okay? So yeah, you guys, that's all the packages that I have for today. I have a couple more coming tomorrow, and I'll try to share those with you guys, but I'm about to chill. I'm hot, and yeah, hold on. Oh, this stuff's so sugary. But I'm about to chill, and I will chat with you guys in a little bit. Good morning, you guys. Happy Sunday. So it is almost 12 noon. Having kind of a late start. I didn't go to church this morning. I wasn't feeling well. But I'm trying to press my way to get up and just do something, you know. Just my stomach was hurting, but I'm about to try to go do laundry. First, I'm going to try to make me something to eat for breakfast. As you guys know, yesterday I made the peanut butter and banana toast. I think I'm going to do that again today. All right, you guys, so I'm about to head downstairs and finish the laundry, but I did want to tell you guys I got more Amazon packages. Guys, I am back after several hours. I finished laundry. I folded all of the laundry clothes. Hubby made lunch, and I've just been chilling. Yeah, I've just been chilling, editing videos, editing pictures. And now it is like 6:30 p.m. So I am going to end this vlog here. My husband is asleep. He was having tooth pain, so we didn't really do anything today. So I'm just letting him rest. And just gonna get prepared for the night, get prepared for the week. Work week starts tomorrow. But yeah, I did go on Amazon again, y'all. I'm addicted to Amazon, but I'm not spending any more money. Like literally till I get paid again, I'm not spending any more money. I did order a comforter set for hubby and I for our bed. So I did order a comforter set, and excuse if the background looks crazy, we are reorganizing our bedroom, so excuse me on that. But I did order a king size comforter set, and then I ordered some makeup wipes and some blush, some New York Knicks blush. So yeah, you guys, that's about all I'm doing for the rest of the night. I just wanted to close this vlog out. I hope you guys have a great week. If you guys want to see more vlogs from me, comment that down below, and just let me know what other type of content would you like to see on my channel. Let your girl know. I love you guys. Have a happy Sunday. I hope you guys had a great Sunday. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.